ke likhububu vetane likhipha nje inhlanzi emanzini impela okusho ukuthi ke kuzoba nayo ibreak ukuthi baphuza amanzi eMoses Mabhida Stadium umdlalo weKaizer Chiefs neZesco. iZesco ayidlali kahle na kwi-league yabo eZambia labahleli khona kwindawo yesi-8. iKaizer Chiefs endaweni yesithathu ke kweyethu i-league la eSouth Africa. Umubuka ke Kaizer Chiefs awakora amagoli amaningi Toki. Amagoli akuyona into abagqame kuyona njengamanje. If you look at all competition in the last 5 matches, 3 goals. But the most important thing with this Kaizer Chiefs team is the fact that they don't concede a lot of goals either. They have not conceded much. In the last 5 games, they haven't conceded a single one.
So lokho kusho ukuthi khona bakulungisayo. And kuyabonakalisa ukuthi baqala kahle ngoba uvala amanzi ukuthi angangeni endlini. Bese ke ucabanga ukuya phambili. Kodwa mawungalithole noma ilodwa nje ayikho inkinga ngoba okwamanje asingabheki ukuthi badlala kanjani kwenzakalani. Ngiya understand amotha abakori ama-goals amaningi, but the most important thing is for them ukuthi balontuze bathole i-base and the perfect face yokudefender, and then going forward like this man uSilva njengoba simbona welcoming back uSerino, again Solomon's coming back in the starting lineup, but njengoba ushilo ukuthi abakori kodwa baya defender kahle. So I think slowly but surely bazafika kulezinga lela abafuna ukufika kulona, and ukuthi badlala ibhola ihlwele elizobashaye bajabule bayenze lokho no okwamanje kusalungiswa.
So it's results
over
the type of
football
style achieved.
Yeah, sifuna ukubona ukuthi kanje no.
So results first.
Asilungise ukukhumbula ukuthi akusayinwanga abadlali la kule window bekhona ngoba kusayinwe more than 12 players before the season start. So these are the players ababelieve kuwo ukuthi they will do the job. As sibona uMcCarthy bamsusa la ku central defense uya ngapha manje ku left hand side lapho kudlala khona uMarco, ngoba siyazi uGross usalimele kwamanje. Banabadlali abaningi laba balimele, uGross is one of them, and now for this one badlalisa uMcCarthy ngoba uMarco simbonile during the week ubedlala. Manje uyazibuza ukuthi ngoba alikho iphutha lenzile kodwa nawo uMcCarthy uyangale sokufaka uMiguel. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi bakhulumela i-dead ball situation ngoba angithi laba baseZambia bane strength bade futhi hayi ukuthi siyamdelela uMarco. No. What a fantastic player he is.
Well, let's go into it then with the Zesco team, Itu. It's a team that's also been very inconsistent as well. They went to Al Zamalek and they lost. They hosted Al Masri. They lost their Kaizer Chiefs. They lost. It's not a team that's had the results go their way, both in this tournament as well, of course, as in the league. If they lose this match, they'll have 2 matches to go and 6 points to gain. Kaizer Chiefs would have been way forward. Al Masri would have been way forward. If they lose this match, essentially, they're out.
Definitely, they'll be out, and Kaizer Chiefs need to do themselves a huge favor by taking advantage of their home game, win it, and send them packing, because this team hasn't been doing so well in their league and in the CAF confederations. So Kaizer Chiefs just needs to put final nail in the coffin.
Well, they're coming out. They're going to know that, of course. There was rumors, Togi, good guy.
I'm a rumor one.
Ete winning a pass.
I'm a man. We are calling man. Oh, Utabobana bafika ngepass.
Uthi Zambia isuke ngepass 2000. Guys, i-talent isazobulala abantu.
Le team isuke ngepass.
I-talent izobabulala abaningi.
Kwenzakaleni ukukhuluma ngayo?
Hayi lo iqiniso. Ihlwele. That's how seriously they're taking this match. Ihlwele zithatha ibhasi zalibrenda zathi asambeni siyobonakala seThekwini ukuthi abahamba bodwa bakhashiwe.
33 hours
bakhashiwe la.
Bakhashiwe. So bona bafike ngolesithathu.
Dala bekho.
Oh, okay.
This is the results I'm talking about in the group. I mean, bar that Al Masri versus Zesco United that gave us 5 goals. You've got a Chiefs that's very stingy when it comes to giving you goals, and they're not scoring much as well. So you're seeing a lot of that with them. 1-1, 1-0. Al Zamalek as well. There's 0-0 with Al Masri. Always tough, those two there. Those are the ones that Kaizer Chiefs are going to be chasing.
Imnandi manje if ungakhumbula kahle before iqala le group ngike ngasho ngathi kuzoba nenkinga ke la so amaqembu ase-Egypt abhekene wodwa. So naye ke ilontuza ke i-table the way ngakhona. Uyabona ukuthi namanje i-Al Masri ayikabi sure ngoba uma ubheka i-Kaizer Chiefs mayiwina namhlanje bathi 7 and asazi ukuthi umdlalo wabo nezamaleko kuzohamba kanjani. But njengoba sekashilo itu nawo ukuthi iZesco yaluza namhlanje cha. Le game le abakuzomela bayodlala away I2 no kuzobe sokuthi no sebayaqedelela nje.
Itu page botsa ka good news tsa Kaizer Chiefs ha o lebello re ba dlala kae match ya bone setse.
Yeah, no, Batlo host the
No, they're going.
Oh, they're going away.
The last game angithi.
The last game.
The last game is Zamalek. They're going to Zamalek. Kumbule ngithi sidlale nayo ePolokwane.
Oh yes,
Polokwane.
Yes.
Sidlale Polokwane. So
1-1.
manje ezala ekhaya eEl Masri.
Yes.
El Masri, yeah. Yes, ezala South.
2 matches to go.
2 matches
they win
to go.
This one.
Away.
They got 2 more to look at as Kaizer Chiefs, and they've got the Al Masry